So let's carry out addition and subtraction of addition and subtraction operation on matrices. Before we carry out these examples, there's a general rule. Generally, if we have matrix E as E11, E12, E12, E21, E22, E23, E21, E22, and we have matrix B plus A11, E12, E12, E21, E22, E23, E21, E22, E22, and the total carry out addition equation. What it means is we're going to have a set, let's say C, the sum of equal, let's say matrix C, this is matrix C. So generally, when we're adding, each element in a respective position is what will the operation of addition will be carried out on. So A11 will be added to A11. A11 of matrix E will be added to A11 of matrix B. So A11 plus E11 will give us the entry for A11 elements in matrix C. So this sum is the entry of A11 in matrix C. A12 in matrix C will be the addition of E12 plus E12. Let me put it this way: B11, so that's kind of clear. B12, B, okay, so E11, B11, B12. So to get the entry form, first to the third column, which is C12, we're going to add the addition of E13 and B13, E13 plus B13, and then same thing applies here. To get this entry, we're going to have E21 plus B21, on and on and on. So if this subtraction we are carrying out is the same thing, so it's going to be A11 minus B11, B11 minus B1. Same here. So generally, that's the rule. That's what we are expected to do. Okay, so with that explained, let's now carry out the addition operation on these examples that are given to us. So 1. E plus, let's find that E equals to matrix A 6, 12, 4, 6, matrix B equals to 2, 4, 2, 4, 3, 5. Now A plus B equals B equals 4. So we have 6 plus 2, 4 plus 3, 12 plus 4, 6 plus 5. And this will give us a sum. 6 plus 2 is 8, 4 plus 3 is 7, 5 plus 4 is 16, 6 plus 5 is 11. So that's the sum. A plus B. Then A minus B. This is going to figure 1. I, which is equal to A minus B is equals to matrix 6 minus 2, 4 minus 3, 12 minus 4, 6 minus 5. This will give us matrix 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 minus 3 is 1, 12 minus 4 is 8, 6 minus 5 is 1. That's the matrix subtraction. So number 2, perform C plus D and C minus D on the matrices below. And number 2, matrix C is equals to 3 minus 1 minus 3, 2, 0, 1, and 4, 2, 6. And matrix D is equals to minus 1, 0, 0, 2, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1. So C plus D, C plus D is equals to 3 plus 3 plus minus 1, then 2, 2 plus 2, and then 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3, minus 1 plus 0, minus 1 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, minus 3 plus 0, minus 3 plus 0, 1 plus 1, and 6 plus 1, 6 plus 1. So let's add. This will give us 3 plus minus times minus will give us minus. So 3 minus 1 will give us 2. 2 plus 2 will give us 4. 4 plus 2 is 7. Minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3. 1 plus 1 is 2. And 6 plus 1 is 7. So that's the sum. The C minus D. Same thing. 3 minus 1. 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. Minus 1. Minus 1 minus 0. 0 minus 1. And 2 minus 1. Minus 3 minus 0. 2 minus 0. 4 minus 1. And 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is equals to minus times minus is plus. So 3 times 3 plus 1 will give us 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 1. Minus 1 minus 0 is minus 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Minus 3 minus 0 is minus 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. 6 minus 1 is 5. That's the subtraction.